Hi everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here, and welcome back to our educational video series. Today we'll walk into a new tutorial about EasyA, an application to help us start studying Web3 and Polkadot easily and seamlessly with our mobile phones. And in this video today, we have an in-depth exploration of EasyA and how to learn Web3 knowledge and Polkadot through an interesting method with EasyA. Let's check it out. Currently, learning applications are no longer strange to us, especially for language learning applications, right? However, with a new industry like blockchain, learning is still spontaneous and not properly packaged. And EasyA is a pioneer application to make learning about Web3, about blockchain, and Polkadot much easier, more diverse and more popular through smartphones. And with EasyA, we forget about boring documentation. Instead, they're short and concise lessons with visual images. Besides, EasyA also designs interesting multiple-choice questions to help learners increase practice as well as retain knowledge for much longer. Founded in 2019, EasyA has quickly become the place where the world's best developers go to learn about blockchain. And over the next 10 years, EasyA aims to onboard the next 1 billion developers to Web3. And to gain this milestone, EasyA has been researching and developing the application to meet 3 user criteria. Fast. Not having time, no matter. EasyA will teach us how to build on Polkadot and deploy dApps faster than we can say WACB. In depth. With simple but super effective challenges, learners will go from zero to blockchain hero without breaking a sweat. Structured. Not sure where to start? The EasyA's experts from Harvard, from Stanford, and other top universities have designed each challenge series to help us learn as quickly and efficiently as possible. EasyA supports teaching for major blockchains, including Polkadot. With educational sessions about Polkadot, we have a chance to learn about what Polkadot is and what problems it solves. Introduction to how parachains work and what purpose they serve and how we can start interacting with them. And how to develop on Polkadot, parachains, and the projects that make up the Polkadot and kusama ecosystem. Starting in the middle of May, the Polkadot Challenges program has been achieving positive numbers such as over 33,000 bidders participating in the challenges and over 28,500 bidders completing them. Alright, above is just some information about EasyA and what this project is doing for the Polkadot ecosystem. Right now, we begin the experience of participating in the Polkadot challenges on EasyA. And first, we need to download EasyA and create an account to start learning. And currently, this application is available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. In the main interface, we click on the top left corner of the screen to start creating an account. And with iPhone, we can log into many different types of accounts such as the Apple ID, the Google account, or even Facebook account. And in this video, we try to register an account with email. Well, the registration steps are also very simple. We just need to enter our email address, username, and password. And after that, we can set up our profile photo through uploaded images or recommendation images from EasyA. And after successful registration, we go back to the main interface and click on the Polkadot icon to start joining the challenges. And as mentioned above, EasyA designs challenges is not only for Polkadot, but also for other parachains such as Akala, Moving Network, A Star Network, Composable Finance, Origin Trail, Oak Network, Gear Technologies, and Qt Protocol. To start, let's click on the Polkadot tab. And here we see clean and in-depth structured challenges that are designed to ensure that builders can get knowledge from basic to advanced. And each challenge will have insightful educational content with images and multiple choice questions. And when finishing the challenge, we get some XP, and the XP can be exchanged for rewards in the future. So, the more XP we get, the more rewards we could receive in the future. And when completing a challenge, we'll be unlocked to a new one. Therefore, let's continue like this until we finish all our sessions on Polkadot and parachains and EasyA. Besides learning, EasyA also has some interesting features like news to keep us up to date with the latest news on the crypto and blockchain markets. And the event feature will help us reveal past events as well as capture outstanding events, seminars, or hackathons will take place in the near future. Alright guys, that's a video about EasyA, the pioneer educational application for blockchain and the Polkadot ecosystem. Let's download EasyA and start our Web3 journey right today. And if you really enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful, interesting videos. Bye! See you soon!